everybody, it is
Cool Kicker, and I'm doing another Transformers review with Gold Digger.
Gold Digger!
Yeah. Bye bye.
Like and subscribe.
In the camera this time.
We're gonna do a sorry, my desk is up there where I usually do my toy reviews, but it's full of some other things that we are going to be doing in the coming weeks. As it's the holidays, we will be making quite a lot of videos together. But we're going to be doing Transformers Generations Ratchet. So yeah, start this thing off. He's a really nice figure. I'm loving the clear plastic. And then painted on the sides. Back we've got more clear plastic.
I write back to all my fans.
Yes, he does. And the top, from the top, it's got a lovely bling bling Autobot symbol on it. Yeah, so let's just get to transforming this thing. Sorry, it's really uncomfortable on the floor. I don't know if you guys have tried sitting on the floor. Right, so to transform it, you need to first flap these bits out like that, and then pull these things out here. And you see the front bit here. And then you lift up the legs from here and sort of pull this bit over to here, so like on top of there. So it's weird with this car. Get the sorry, we do live in a busy family. Cousins, brothers, sisters, it's like that. Yeah, and then you sort of pull these bits out here. Stretch that. I'm just trying to. Sorry about the background sounds today. It is going to be a busy video, and then you flip this bit out here. Twist his hand around. And do the same on the other side. So get this, push it like that, open up his hand, pop that bit out, then pull it and twist his arm around, and then you, I've ruined the surprise. You push that backpack down and you have a pop-up head. And everybody, this is a lovely representation of the Transformers Generations Ratchet. Yeah, it's lovely. There is a gun holder in there for your mech tech, you die-cast mech tech Transformers. And yeah, good paint all over it. Could work on more. They have got feet that come out of here, guys, but no, they don't come out. So like and subscribe. Bye.